Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's dish is a snack recipe using chickpea and zucchini. You can call this a tikki or a cutlet. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got chickpea in here which I've soaked overnight and then boiled until they are really soft, like this. In here I've got finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander leaves, grated zucchini, turmeric, red chilli powder, garlic paste, cumin powder, salt to taste, lime and a little bit of cornflour. Now instead of zucchini, if you are not able to get zucchini, you can also use carrots. So let's start making the dish. Into a bowl I have taken all the chickpeas. We'll mash them. Once the chickpeas are mashed nicely, we'll add the rest of the ingredients one by one. Coriander leaves, onions and the zucchini. Mix everything well. Now let's add the garlic paste, turmeric, red chilli powder, cumin powder and salt to taste. Now let's add the lime juice. Again mix well. Now this chickpea mixture is a little wet at this stage. So to make it a little more stiff, we'll add in the cornflour. And mix well. Mix everything well until it's all binding together. Now if you feel that your tikki batter is very wet, you can add a little bit of breadcrumbs to it or some gram flour. So this is ready. Now let's try shaping them into a tikki. It's holding shape, so this is fine. Now let's make all the tikkis. I've got the tikkis ready in here. Now let's fry them. I've placed a pan on medium heat, poured some oil into it. Now we'll shallow fry the tikkis. We'll place one by one. Fry them until they are golden brown from both sides. The tikkis are done from both sides, so let's switch off the fire and remove it into a plate. So the tikkis are ready. You can serve them as it is with some hara chutney or ketchup, or we can serve it in a different way. I'll show you two different ways of serving the same tikki. Second way of serving this is to take some pav bun or burger bun. I've got pav bun here. I've just toasted them on the tawa. You can use mayonnaise or cream cheese. I'm using cream cheese here. We'll just apply it to two sides of the bun. You place the tikki buns. Onto the pav. If you want, you can keep some onion rings and tomato rings and serve them. I'm just going to serve it like a vada pav. that's the second way of serving it. Let's move on to the third way. Third method of serving, I've got some curd which I've nicely whisked, to which I've added red chilli powder, cumin powder, tamarind and date chutney, chaat masala and a little bit of black salt. Mix everything together. Into this we'll add some chopped tomatoes, onion and coriander leaves. Mix that as well. Now we'll take the tikki and on top of it we'll place the curd mixture like that. Put some onion and tomato on top and some tamarind and date chutney and serve it like this in the form of a chaat. So we've made one tikki and served it in 3 different ways. So this can become 3 different dishes for you. I hope you liked today's dish. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Until next time, bye bye.